Now I'm just waiting for my ride home. I love you guys so much. I'm going to end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Vlogmas day 20. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 21. Bye. Costco wine advent calendar day 20. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So I got another duplicate of the Creekside Estate Winery Sauvignon Blanc. Day 20. Stay tuned for day 21 tomorrow. We go.